Hey everyone. The quote that I chose, which was from page 95 from Dr. Steinberg, and it says, um, it hurts to be rejected at any age, but it's actually more painful during adolescence than any other time. In fact, the pain of social rejection so closely resembles physical pain in neurobiological terms that taking acetaminophen, the active ingredient in Tylenol, can actually help alleviate it. This supersensitivity to the opinions of others can have serious consequences. And why I found this quote so thought provoking is I actually took some experience that I have as a runner. If you've ever run for any period of time, sometimes pain can arise. And when it does, there's this involuntary reaction in the body to adjust your running form to avoid that pain from taking place. And I don't think that's just a running thing. I think that's just in life. If you are doing something and it causes for you to have pain, you're going to involuntarily change your action or your behavior to avoid that pain. And so I think we should almost think about this emotional pain that students go through with the rejection of their peers in the same way. They're going to almost have an involuntary reaction to make sure that they avoid this pain. In other words, they may be so susceptible to peer pressure that it's an involuntary reaction that they are having to succumbing to the peer pressure to avoid the pain of not having the social acceptance from their peers. Now, I'm not 1,000% sure what I should do with that, but I do think it does help me reframe when my students do something to the pleasure of their students and to the disapproval of me, to think about it as an involuntary reaction as opposed to something purposeful or more malicious in mindset. So, thanks for listening.